Oh, they're pellets for fishies. It's like when you shake the bag for the... Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Imagine accidentally falling in that. The microdictic. Oh, that is... It's cute. It's cute. It's very cute. I don't like that you can see right into its nose, though, but that's okay. Oh. A kingfish catches a fish. How on earth did it see that? How on... That is... Well, that bird needs to be studied. How did it... Oh, damn, nature is scary. That's why I don't go outside. Genetic mutation causes two-headed turtle. I don't like this. I don't like... No, that's... This is AI. I'm just going to say this is AI because I feel sad. Turtle is just eternally struggling with itself.
Guys, I'm in the Amazon rainforest and I have a huge anaconda by the tail. He's no baby. He's over 16 and a half feet long and weighs just as much as me. But he's no match for that left-handed yoink. But we're still going to look for that 20-footer. Check out this beautiful southern tamandua. He wasn't too keen on letting me pet him. Neither was his wandering spider.
Ah!
This cutie's deadly.
Oh, that needed a warning.
Smooth-fronted caiman. Let's check that cute little mouth. Ooh, it's a yellow-tailed crebo.
What? Who is this person, and why are they doing what they're doing
in the Amazon rainforest? Ooh, one of my favorites. Yoink. It's a Peruvian rainbow boa, and he's absolutely gorgeous. Can't wait to see him when he gets huge. Ooh, don't mind me, guys. I'm just petting a pink-toed tarantula. He's so fun. Sometimes when you're in the jungle, you get bullet ants crawling all over you, but it's okay. I doubled up on some massive smooth-sided toads.
Oh, God,
check out this cute little mouse possum.
This video needs to end.
Ooh, what do we got here? Yoink. It's a smoky jungle
I
frog.
don't like this. I'm
Right
scared.
here we got a deadly fertile ant. You definitely don't want kisses from this fella.
Don't know why you're putting it in your face. Oh, I've seen this. Oh, God. This is awful. Oh my God. Oh, my God. Getting word now. Everyone was fine. All limbs were accounted for. That was the floor of the ocean. Oh, that is so stunning. Wow, it even naturally formed perfect stairs. Convenient. I really want to go to... There's a place on Bribey Island that does this, and I want to go, and I want to cut open some rocks. See what's inside them.
I saw it bubbling while we were cutting, so that makes me think maybe there are chambers inside crystals. I'm so pumped. Let's see. Oh, yes! It's got geode pockets on the inside. Multiple geode cavities.
Oh, that is stunning!
So awesome, you guys.
I really want to go Gem Fossa King and then cut them open. Doesn't that sound fun?